Hello and welcome to a My Mini Maths video tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at order of operations using BIDMAS. This video can be used to help and support understanding with the arithmetic target question 14. And for this we can use a very simple acronym called BIDMAS. You may have heard of it before, sometimes known as BODMAS as well, but we'll use BIDMAS for today and I'll explain what it is. So first of all we have brackets. Then we have indices, and then division. Apologies, let's keep it consistent. And multiplication. Okay, and then we finally have addition and subtraction. Okay, and this is the order in which we need to complete our calculations. So let's have a look at a few examples and get this in action, and we'll explain how it works. Okay, so let's take an example. So if I just partition this off, let's have a look at the first. So if I take 30, subtract 15 divided by 5. Right, so calculation here. Now the temptation is just to go from the beginning. So 30 minus 15 divided by 5. But because of BIDMAS and the order of operations, we have to follow the priority. So we can see here we've got subtraction and we've got division. And division and multiplication, division comes before subtraction. So this is the part we need to calculate first. Okay, which is going to be 3. And then we look at the second part, okay, which is the subtraction. So that's the second part. So 30 subtract 3 will give us an answer of 27. Okay, and for the next example, we're going to use addition and multiplication. And again, instead of just beginning on the left-hand side and working our way through the calculation, we can see that the multiplication has greater priority than the addition. It comes first in the list. So we need to perform this part of the calculation first. So 6 times 3 is 18. Then the second part is the addition. So that's 20 plus 18 to give us a grand total of 38. Now we can also use brackets, and what the brackets do, it allows us to give addition and subtraction more power than division and multiplication if that's the calculation you want to perform. So here's an example. So if I have 5 plus 6 in brackets times 9, we can see that the brackets come first in the list and they come before the multiplication in red. So this is the part of the calculation we need to perform first. So 5 plus 6 is 11. And then the second part, multiplication, is performed next. So 11 times 9 gives us 99. And finally, it's the turn of division and subtraction. So as we can see here, normally division would come before subtraction in the list, but the brackets, because we've enclosed the subtraction in brackets, the brackets come first. So this is the first part of the calculation here. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Then the second part with division. So 42 now divided by 7, so the value of the brackets gives us an answer of 6. And it's also worth looking at an example with indices. Now what we mean by indices are powers, so squared, cubed, for example. So we may have something like 40 plus 7 squared, okay? And because indices, this part here, comes before addition. It's the power that needs to be calculated first. So that would be 49, 7 times 7. We take the 40 next, here, for the second part of the calculation, to give us a grand total of 89. The best thing with BIDMAS and order of calculation is just to practice lots of examples. And if you see a question involving brackets or indices or a mixture of division and addition, subtraction, multiplication, just make a little note of BIDMAS at the side and it will help you guide you through the order. So that's everything for today. Thank you very much for listening. Please subscribe to the My Mini Maths video tutorial YouTube channel for all the latest videos, news and updates. And I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Take care.